In this video, I will make some biogel membrane which you can use in your batteries. So what I have over here is some biogel membrane which is actually made from some agar-agar. So these kind of gel membranes are really interesting for using in some batteries, and this kind of membrane can replace the electrolyte and also the separator at the same time. So the process of making this agar biogel membrane is actually not so complicated, but you will need to watch out about the temperature, because if the temperature will not be right, then you will not get the expected result like I have over here. So, and now what you will need actually is of course some agar-agar powder. So this one I get from eBay. Then of course you will need some water and the electrolyte. So here I have this agar-agar powder. The amount of agar powder is 2.6 grams. Then water, we will need 30 milliliters of water and around 8 grams of your electrolyte. So in my case I will use 2 mol of zinc sulfate, but in your case you can use whatever electrolyte you want. But to this mix you can also add some additives like ethylene glycol or glycerin, for example. Then in this case this membrane will work also in really low temperatures. And now let's go to the process. I will need 30 milliliters of water, okay, and now this water I need to heat up to 90 degrees C. So the water need to be heated to almost to the boiling point. Okay, and now to the electrolyte. Here I will need around 8 grams of 2 mol of zinc sulfate. Okay, now I will also prepare 2.6 grams of agar. Great. Now everything is ready. Now only I need to wait that the water will reach to around 90 degrees C. Okay. Now I will also start with the stirring. And now for the first I will add half of this agar. And now you can see that the agar will start to boiling. For this reason I will add the electrolyte. And now the remaining agar. And now for the finish I need to stir and heat this mix to the boiling point. So when you get to the boiling point, then actually the mix is ready. And now I need to form some membrane. Like so. And now you need to wait that this membrane will cool down. And now the next type of membrane which I will do with this agar-agar mix will be some combination of the agar and some kitchen fibers. So here I have some kitchen cloth, and these fibers I will soak into this agar-agar mix. So in this case the entire membrane will be much more stronger, because in this case you will support the agar like this one with some extra fibers, because this kind of membrane which is over here can be a little bit fragile, like you see over here. But if you support the entire membrane with some extra fibers like I have over here, I have some bamboo fibers, then you will get some really nice and also really strong membrane. And also this one you need to leave to cool down. And after a couple of minutes the membrane is cooled down. Oh, really nice. So guys, when you make this kind of biogel membrane out from agar, then it's also good if you add some preservative. So when you make this mix together, then it's also good if you add 0.5 to 0.2% of some preservative. And the preservative can be some potassium sorbate or some sodium benzoate. And over here I will put together some really basic cell. The device which I will put together will be some zinc anhydride capacitor, and the parts which I will need to make one is of course the zinc for the negative electrode, 2 mole of zinc sulfate, then this membrane I will use for separator, then over here I have my activated carbon felt, and here I have my positive current collector which is made from graphite plate. So first of all I will wet this activated carbon felt with the electrolyte. Like so, this will be enough. Then this activated carbon felt I put on this current collector, and now I need to prepare this membrane. And now the cell is ready. And I will charge the cell with 2.1 volt and 500 milliamps. Okay, I think that this will be enough of charging. And now I will measure what will be the current of this little cell. So because this is some zinc ion hybrid capacitor, for this reason the voltage of the cell is 1.8 volts. But I want to see what will be the current output with this membrane. .3 amps, which is actually not bad. So if I get the membrane a little bit more thinner, then I will also get a little bit better power out from this cell. But for now, the current output on this thickness of the membrane is really awesome. And now the last test. Ooh. So this motor right now is running really powerful. Really awesome. So I really like this kind of biogel membranes. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye. Top, all the way to bottom, but I've never seen it all.